Odyssey Skoolie. My name is Carly. I'm Heather, and we live full-time on our bus, and we wanted to give you a tour. But we've got a 1999 Bluebird school bus, fully renovated. You guys can come on in. We have taken the time to convert it. We bought it partially converted, and we finished it up in the span of like 9 months. We're from Michigan, so we didn't get much done in the winter months, but as you can see, we've got a full-sized dining area, lounge area. These double as a guest bed, so we have our friends come over and sleep in. We've also got storage underneath, plenty of storage. We downsized from a 3-bedroom house, so that's one of those things where we're like, hey, we need the most storage as possible, but we kept the driver's area kind of looking the same. It's kind of messy right now, but didn't really do much to it. We added the storage box up top. The first thing I did was replace all of the speakers with new JBL speakers throughout the bus. That was a must. So we did that, and then I just went crazy building. So we've got our table here that will go all the way against the wall here and hide away, so it gives us all the storage we need and space. Full-size kitchen, countertop, we have plenty of that. The only thing I'm missing is a dishwasher. That's what I miss the most, I guess, is not having a dishwasher. We use our propane ventless 5-brick ceramic heating propane heater. It's great. We've used it a lot in Florida, actually, surprisingly, it being that it was summertime, or felt like summertime down here when we got here, but it gets pretty cold. I was surprised, but going further back, more storage. We've got our bathroom here. We just have the RV black tank toilet in here. We have an outdoor shower which will go out the window, and everything is stored there on the inside there. We use mostly of like Planet Fitnesses and campgrounds for showers. That's only like when we're in the middle of nowhere or emergency purposes, but it works really nice. Under the sink here we have a hot water heater, on-demand hot water heater, works great, gives us as many gallons as hot water we need, so we don't have any problems with that one. It's the EcoTemp propane heater, so it's great. What else? We've got 100 gallons of fresh water, about 75 gallons of black water. More storage. We deal with our mini fridge. Maybe one day we'll upgrade it, but for now it looks great and it works great for us, so we just keep it going. We've got a propane 3-burner oven and stove. We absolutely love it. It came out of an old RV, so it works great, and I love it. It's different working with propane though. Cooking with it cooks a little bit faster, but going further back, more storage. So we built all of these over our wheel wells. We've got storage up top, and then all of our closed storage. And then being that all of our things are on drawer slides, I'd repurposed all these door latches to keep everything closed. Yeah. It works pretty well, as you can see, but we're not level at all whatsoever, so they're gonna come out. So.
Nobody in this campground's level.
No, it's rough. We've got a queen-size bed back here. It 4-inch memory foam topper. It's the most comfortable mattress I've ever slept on in my life. We've got gas struts underneath that'll pull the bed up, and we've got plenty of storage underneath. We're able to get to the back of the bus, but it's kind of a hassle from in here. So we have one more window after this wall, and so that goes out to our garage area, all storage space. Keeps the batteries, inverters, generators, all my tools. So we like it out of sight, out of mind. It keeps it pretty in here, and it works for us. Yeah, we installed, one of the cool things about our bus is we installed mirror tint on all of our windows, which was fun. It's cool. I don't think that there are any other buses that do have it. I haven't seen them, at least. But it's great during the day when there's more light outside. The idea is that it reflects all the light, and so you can't see a single thing inside our bus, but at the end of the day, when it's more light inside, it's the opposite effect, so you can see. And so we installed just our blackout draw shades, and they work perfectly. for our purposes of that. It also doubles as a projector screen. We have a projector that we carry around, so up in front you can see our projector screen that hangs up there, but we use it back here as well, just on our shade. So double purpose, multi-purpose. It's great. But no air conditioning, anything like that, but fans have been keeping us going pretty well. We kind of travel with the wind and travel with the weather, so it works. We don't have a ladder to get to our upstairs deck. We do, but not outside, so we usually keep it in here. You guys across the way are using it right now, but we have a deck up here, so we'll go up through here, go up and hang out on the deck. We've got 900 watts of solar up on our roof, and in the middle we have like a roof rack for kayaks and all the other stuff that we just decided to tie on up there. So it's off-grid paradise, really. So we absolutely love what we've done with it. It's no longer feeling like a bus, it feels like a home. So we have fun.
Now, if people want to get a hold of you on social media.
Yeah, social media, we're the Odyssey Skoolie, or we're on Instagram and Facebook. We have stickers. I can get you one of those, and you can look at those.
Please.
Yeah. So we're at all the tiny home festivals. We just like to travel around and have some fun. So
thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Beautiful bus.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.